You believe this? Saw this yesterday coming a million miles away, Coles. Macy's. CTG. Right, I'm shorting now. Fuck you. Buying a CTG at 24. I got 2 cents off the low. And it's that trades and volume. Mike V right there. Okay, I want to stress a couple of things here. As long as you don't blow up the account, I don't even know why I say that. It's really not a possibility. You know, stocks like I'm short you, now it's 15, whatever it is, or 16. Things like that. How are those Tesla bombs working, by the way? What about if this thing's gonna, what happens if this happens to go on a run, oiled on the RSI? By the way, why am I not in a share of Riven? Look at this. You want to talk about prices? By the way, this is, when I say price action, this is price action. Dripped off all day long. Look at this freaking thing. Okay, that's an example of what's going on in the environment. It's bifurcation. That one right there. Is it a one-day wonder? I'm not sure. How about this one? The strongest stocks in the market still keep going. Western Digital, new highs. Storage Technology, Micron Technology, SanDisk. The RSI 70. What happens if something happens? What happens if there's a melt up? Campbell Soup, I brought it there. Bought a chunk of Campbell Soup in the fund. That's me. I'll show you where I bought it. A little block. There. That's Mike V, the blocker. And okay, this is my point. As long as you don't blow up the account. Got to remember.
He has a system that will earn so much money that he's banned from most casinos in the world. So let's quickly break down Mickey's system for what he's revealed so far. His backdrop, the goal is to get as close to
1 spoonful of honey with cinnamon.
What happens in usually the last 5 days, maybe 5 minutes, 5 days, 5 hours, you do your job well and stay focused and disciplined, and over time you have your plans and you're trading. You're not going to remember what happens 5 months from now. I mean, you know what I mean? Stay what's going on. A lot of things are working.
Before bed equals 0 memory collapse.
This is part of my first song I ever saw in concert, Jay Norm. Fact.
Down the chairs, down the tables, try to find the key. The breaking in your fables, they call me the secret.
Yes, sis, take a call. And you. Oh, look at the NU setting up still. What is this? Calls.
Won't get to give what I'm after till the day I die. I'm never getting feeling. I'm right against the Beatles.
Lemonade. The epitome of sweetness. More stocks with earnings. Pins, range, it's done. Take it off the screen. A-Lab was 200 last night after earnings. They dipped it down to 160. Now they took it up in the morning. They took it up to 188. Range. You. Look at this fuck. I can't. I asked Bobby Dylan. Ribbon.
get to get what I'm after. Till look at it,
It's part of the set list. Here's Bobby. The only guy who can get away with calling Bob Dylan Bobby. First concert I ever saw, Shea Stadium. That. I met Bobby. Boeing puts. Don't trust that. Transport's doing well. Boeing puts. Okay, you want to see something pure? Flip the chart upside down. What happens if this gets oversold? Liquidation. People are making money. There's proper rotation. But if they keep selling this thing, there's Boeing. Is that emblematic of something? Boeing? I'm not sure. Isn't this a transport? And by the way, let's reverberate what happened to yesterday's Power Hour. All these, I don't even know why these things are up. Freaking Delta's up 5. UAL, if you will. UAL. QS. That was one day away from breaking. This was it right here. Look at where QS, okay? QS. The whole run with the volume. Look where it bottomed. Or at least based. Maybe bottom. That close right here. See that close? Volume. Heaviest volume day. If you will. Within that span. That was where the close was. And where was the low, if you ask? All right, you're not going to get it close. In these type of trades, you're going to be wrong before you're right. It was a starter. Did I think? Well, I'm not in it. So what am I, I'm at Bobby Dylan. Earnings. Assist. Okay? Tesla bombs. Just bombs. 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 Docking. Was that a gap and go, or was that with the high of the day? The open high of the day. Oh, God, okay. Let's talk. Okay. I'm not saying it's by 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 shares, walk away and let it flow, the VIX goes lower, trailing stops. You might not have it here. Stocks, is a a 2 day range from 38 to 50, 40, $8 range. If I wasn't in it, would I buy it? The answer is it's on the list, and probably yes. May it work not tomorrow? I'm not sure. There's the weekly. That's a stage 2, something like that. I know that's a positive stage situation. Docking worked. I'm glad people got paid. That looked like QS. Look, this looked. Wow, that's similar. Well, that was 1 day away from testing the 200-day moving average if things went awry. It's amazing. This stock. Everybody's chirping they caught it. I don't have any. How did Riven get up there without me knowing? Open. This stock I don't want. After the close, Hood, App, IONQ, Qualcomm, Bros. This is Starbucks. Premium, they're telling me to buy Starbucks. Look, am I late? You know it's a stock? Nah, VFC. Don't like it. Macy's. So underowned. Weekly. That's a stage 2 situation. Pullback. Okay, that's on the list. That's positive price action for the overall market, no matter what. Could this thing the market pull? Sure. Algos love these, especially the weeklies. This will give me a gauge. This Dillard's. A real man buys Dillard puts. Calls. Puts. I almost said the P word. Real man buys Dillard's puts. Calls. Said it again. That's going to 1,000. It's going to 750. Earnings after the close. Hood, IONQ, Qualcomm, Bros, Retailer, Fig, a dead IPO. Are they bouncing today? You have to think about this type of market. I don't think it's the fact that things are washed out, where even if Fig is bad and they open it down 3, it'll rebound because the market. No, they're not rewarding certain stocks like that. Look at SMCI. I mean, if they're punishing you if it doesn't work out. Tell me another example. Pins. Perfect example with Snap coming out. Arm. Dash. Elf. Elf. Can't do it. It's giving me every reason to. It never broke any. Listen, those are clean. The market got rough. Although the S&P was at the high, if it is a retailer. That's when I would forego having some sort of lotto. I'm not shy. I think I could do better with edge if I do anything at all, waiting till afterwards. I know I know my situation, if you will, and I will trade it. The holiday season anyway. Joby. Okay, now we're talking. I tell you one thing I've been writing down a long time, a lot of these days. Oof. It is what it is. The charts are relevant. Joby and ACHR have been taking calls. They have. Assist. NU. Anyway, Joby has earnings. Pin action. Air taxi sector. Who else? Lucid. ALB. Oh my God, it's getting better. ALB. This is getting sexy. How does this thing not work? Tesla's going up, lithium batteries, QS, Albemarle. How is this not $120 stock? That's one I wouldn't mind being long. And if I'm wrong, I would add to it, and I know it's a bounce back. It's a quality company. That's a quality company. Lithium sector. Who else? I'll get the questions. Lucid. EOS has earnings. Oh my God. Root. Speaking of lemonade, Root goes with lemonade. Mike V pointed that out this morning. How'd that do it? Why not? Can't catch them all. I gotta relax. That house was a good short. Lemonade. I don't even know what I said this morning. I'm scrolling. Root. There you go. 6 hours ago, Root with lemonade. What was Root 6 hours ago? Right here. 83. Nobody wanted $5. It's going higher too. Has earnings. I don't know. It's not going higher. Retract that. Don't care. Not for me. Not for you either. Oust. Starter at 33 to short. What was the high of the day? 31. Right idea. Oust. I had offers out of 33. Did I have offers out? Yeah, I did. If I put it there, I did. 31.62. It's only gone down 14 points in a week. No problem. Yeah, CTG. Bought at 24 this morning. That's right. GH. Oh. Quality company, behemoth of a drug stock. Look, oh. $89.95. Where was 89 and why did it stop at 89? That's right. Why not? Hey, clean. Algos. Hey, it's boom. Fucking A. There's another one. Start the day off. Where's Bristol? I know it's not APLD or iron. Yeah, we know what we do. There's the Daily in Bristol taking calls. You can look at Eli Lilly. You'll never know. They blink. Well, all of a sudden, Lilly was the worst one. Look at it now. Bristol Myers, I can feel it. Where's the Daily? It's taking calls. Believe me. Here's the weekly. Oof. Am I going to take some ALB? My mind's going to. I got a gazillion things going on. Rivet. What was it? Bristol? That's going to go in the fund. FUND. Added to the fund, as a matter of fact. Bought it this morning. Buying more Campbell's soup. I know it's not a barn burner, but I'm in. Now what do you do with you? I saw it had the round tripper. Oh, it gave you a chance to get out. There's you now. Look at this. What a move. Open. 42. Straight down to 38.4. The bounce beautiful to the opening range breakout. Look at these technicals. I need a clerk. The low. Then it right here was where you stop by. Now, okay, you covered 37. Now it broke the open low right here. Add. Right here. Add. Now it breaks high. Everybody that's short this thing that says, oh my God. Roger Daltrey would be embarrassed. Sorry, Roger. Peggy, I think Peggy Sue pulled back enough. Peggy, you talking about PGY, Janor? Ooh. Papaya Technologies, J Norman, PGY, Peggy Sue. Are we in this thing? I'll take a stab here. I've done worse. I like the volume. PGY. I'm going first. You don't want to be wrong in Peggy Sue. Assist clean. Yeah, I got you. I like the Peggy. Risk the reward. Listen, you don't want to be wrong, and you don't want to be on the other side of this thing, no matter what way. It's going to take time. The starter, absolutely, is the gapper. Clean. I get it. I get it. Peggy, yeah. Good eye. Great stock selection. You get it. You do. You get it, man. Driven got past me. Lucid has earnings after the close. Are we going to be one of the 20-year-olds? Oh, Lucid. Oh, where's the Lucid here? It's 17. It's really $1.73. Lucid. 52-week high list. Behemoths in every sector. Eli Lilly, 52-week high behemoth. Micron, a behemoth. AXP financial behemoth. Macy's is such a dog, it's breaking a 52-year high. They're taking behemoths up and dogs to 52-week high. I don't know if it's over. Cypher, I'm short this thing, by the way. Lamb Research, Las Vegas Sands, BP behemoth, those calls. Fizzler, everything. DuPont, oh my God. That's how bifurcated. You're trying to buy the say DuPont. Oh my God, the DuPont, the chemical sector. Oh, that's a split. How'd that Olin wind up doing? See that Olin? Maybe it's Peggy. ASTS. This guy with the bull. Enough. Enough, dude. Enough. I get it. It's going to go probably to 20 one day. Come on. I bought it. I'm ahead of you. You putz. Oh, look at it. I got Bobby Dillon. Fuck stock. This is what I said. This guy's sharp too, by the way. Follow this dude. He's got almost 100,000 people. Okay? And all the boys follow him. He's right. This is how I started the freaking podcast. What is it thing? A podcast? Webcast? A webinar? This is the list. I showed it up nicely. NXT. EO's earnings. Man, this is getting so good. Listen, this is where you have to handle this like a business. I learned to, I was insulted once, and I was a top producer, but I was an active trader. I did an equal amount of commissions in P&L. Boobo. Don't laugh. That's no LOL. Why can't, what's Nokia? Jeff, do you like Nokia? I think I'd get rid of it on a pullback. I agree. I agree. It's yet to be determined if this Riven's a one-day wonder or is actually some substance to it. I'll do my due diligence. They had every chance to collapse that U today on a gapper. Look at it now. They have another one too. This tells me right here, I don't believe there's going to be a major down. Hold on. There's too much there. There's too much caught. Chop. Not really, no. Come on, man. Can you lie to me? It doesn't. Look at Nokia. I wouldn't buff. If I wasn't long Nokia, would I be long Nokia here? The answer is yes. Why? Balls. It's broken. I think Riven will break and go. Yeah, no. It's more likely to happen than that. Look at this HUD I shorted nicely today. Made good money in HUD today. Shorting this baby all day long. 50. Covering 47. I'm short Cypher. Ooh, the market's pulling back. SCDG. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, they popped this IDG. Typical. NVDL. NVDL. NVIDIA pulling back. I'm long NVDL. I just sold a chunk of NVIDIA. See, but this SCDG went back up on me. I had a nice price here. There's my positions. Everybody knows. NVDQ. CCL, bull. There was my bull trade. Cipher. I'm in Bobby Dylan. I'll cover more Cipher because that's a bad trade. I'm not going to lie. Campbell soup sector. Sweet green. I did it. I'm in the salad sector. I did it. It's taking calls. There it is. I'm in. They got me. Okay. I did it. Is it going to pull a Cava? Probably not. Is it going to pull a McDonald's? Probably not. But I'm doing it. The one thing that I keep in the back of my mind is I dissertate through everything. Lessons, stocks, the who, ALB. It's in the back. It's buzzing. There's a presence of ALB. I'm not kidding. Was that volume yesterday? The washout? Joby in AACHR. What time is it? Oh, it's early. I'll talk all day long. Hang up. They tell me keep it under 18 minutes. People lose the audience after 8. This will hang up. Oh, leave. ACHR. But the one that I like the best is Joby. If I'm going to do it. But I'm not. Oh, it hurts work. Speaking to the transports. Oh, but worked. Because why it qualified. You know, I hope it's up 20% Hertz. Because it figured. Ooh. They took it down right to the look at that one. They took it right down. They shook out all the longs to low today. Hertz 555 to 660 Hertz. Look at that range. Ooh, that might be a short. Hertz. Oh man, you never know. It's got to go on the list. Look at that. Let's how I would have handled that. Let's look how I. Okay, so if I went long this stock, there's the gapper, which is right here. Boop, boop, boop. 581. The 200-day was 569. They did the proverbial broke the 200-day. The curling up short-term moving average of the 10-day, you can see top left is 565. So they broke the big daddy, but they held the short-term proverbial support. And then it was all up from there. Boy, that's a nice lesson. Boy, I like that. Now what do you do with it if I had it? Well, I mean, oh, you know what? Speaking now, these things are coming back to yesterday. The Dollar Tree work. It's got to work. Going higher, Dollar Tree. Dollar General was the one too. DG was the symbol. Dog. SHLS, another solar. I know Shoals. I got it. I know Shoals. That could rip. I've done my research on Shoals. They don't like this company. I think it's run poorly or something, but I know it. Can go if things go right. I know that company. I like the symbol. Dr. Scholl's. I also use their pants. And you. You're chirping about me about it. Not gonna lie. Let's see, DG. Be back under 40 one time. Just one time. I don't want that ache. Actually stay at 40. I'll take the 40 strike price. I'm down $1.20 in it. Oh, you fucker. Let me trouble here. I shorted the run up. Assist calls. Oh, you know what they're taking? Assist calls. It is what it is. Pfizer taking calls. No good. SN. That's a sexy retailer. That'll rip your face off short. Shark Ninja. It's a one-day wonder. Lemonade. Gonna be all up to the lemonade. This stays strong into the close. That gives you an indication. And you know what? There's the VIX. Stocks like Lemonade, unless something really happens here, hold on. This is bullish. This is so bullish for the market. I'm not saying buy the Mag 7 stocks. I know they're overweight, blah, blah, blah. I love the fact that pins got destroyed. Bank of America bad analyst day, bravo, take it down. Wonderful. Offset the sentiment. Lay's potato chips. Gonna work big. Write it down. What? What's the other one I liked? Lay's. Brilliant. What a trader. What a trader. CX taking calls. Very good at dumpster dive setups like myself. Dollar General. He had it long too. I want to give him Campbell's soup. Oh, you know what they like? Somebody told me about this the other day too. Keep my eye on this sphere. Ugh, another one. Why am I not in this? 800 shares. Nobody says I gotta go 8,000 and watch every tick. Wake up 4 in the morning and see if it's up. Yeah, there's a boy. There's your levels on the ES. 68.30, 68.18. BTG Gold, small gold stock taking calls. Yeah. What is this thing? B2 Gold? You're buying it right here. Every other stock is ripping. Hey, you want a dumpster dive? There you go, BTG. Taking calls on the Jesus feed. It's right in front of you. Begin with a C. Blush, IPO breaking high. That might constitute okay for FIG. Blush. Should we take a stab on FIG? Don't worse. Can't do it. Can't do it. Just can't do it. I'll trade it afterwards. FIG. BTG. What was that thing? BTG calls. I'll write that down. Here we go. I'll be diddling. Hut. Cipher. NVDQ, I'll buy more. Buy more NVDQ. The short of a CCL, Bull, Cypher, a minute, pennies, Sweet Green. I don't even know if I want this thing. Do I want this thing, Sweet Green? Where are you? Do I want Sweet Green? It has calls, the wrong type of calls. Look at this. I subconsciously put in Campbell soup. Misstock. See this? This is interesting. It just came across here. Boom. I'm going to stick with the Sweet Green. Oh, there's another one interesting. All these little food stocks are taking calls, you know, these bottom fishing things. BGS, BGS Foods. How about UNFR? Food stocks. SFM. Sweet Green. I don't want to be in Sweet Green. This is stupid. Sweet Green. Okay, let me just give you a brief Jesus feed. I'm gonna watch. There you go. No top bets really. Lily assist. What took some calls? Obviously, Ribbon. No one's really backing it up yet. SMCI took long-term calls. I'm not gonna lie. Etsy took calls. Bristol Myers is taking calls. Assist. I already said that. Oh, Ribbon. Still I'm short in profit taking into Ribbon. Am I doing okay? Somebody help me out here. Ribbon, there's the down ticker. There they go. Stop. There's your well, at least no. That's a down. That stops some people out. Trilling stops. You know, that's a 40-cent down tick. That's that stock Ribbon just gave away 2 hours of profits. It doesn't look like a lot. The CTG is fucking me. The CTG stopping all people. Look, they had a chance. It took you like 3 hours to grind down from the stock you were short. Now it pops like $1.80. What happened? Macy's giving some back. FCX taking calls. I have to take the Sweet Green. I've done worse. I'm not going to take 200. I have to do it. All right, leave it there. Jose, thanks for your patience. Cheers. I'm in the room.